Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you how to swap, how to provide liquidity, and start farming. First, we'll go to PulseX.com, and we'll go to trade. Then we'll launch. And now we'll go to provide liquidity. And we're going to do it on V1. We'll explain V1 and V2 later. And now let's go to Hex. We're going to provide liquidity with Pulse and Hex. And now since I have more value here than I do here, I'm going to go ahead and click this one. See how it says 31 and 31, and it's not taking but half of my Pulse. That's why I did that. Now we'll go ahead and supply. Confirm. Okay. Close screen. Wait for this pending transaction to go through, which on Pulse Chain usually don't take that long. So boom, already done. That's awesome. Try to do that with Ethereum, it takes forever. Alright, and now we're going to go down here, and we said we're going to use Pulse and Hex. Yep. Enable this. And if you're used to using Ethereum or some other network, you're going to be like, man, you're paying all these fees. Look, 24, not even 25 Pulse. That's not even a penny. Confirm. On Ethereum, that same transaction probably would have cost $20 or $30. So we'll wait for this to enable. Boom. Look at that. Already enabled. See how fast this is? We'll do 100%. Confirm. Confirm. And there we go. We should start seeing it here in a second. Let's go out. Let's go back out. Come back in. Make sure it worked. Oh, look at that. I am staked. And this is what they call farming. And now I will start collecting this incentive token as interest for providing liquidity and staking. That's how you do it. Make your money.